when you're giving a poster presentation or just having a poster at a conference, it is an opportunity here to network with a lot of people. Like, a lot of people are going to swing by your poster over the course of the entire conference, whether you're there or not. You have an opportunity to practice your presentation skills, not just once, not just twice, but a lot of times. You're going to be repeating your research and presenting your poster many, many, many times, which is so cool. Like, you get to practice right here, live, informally, low stakes, conversationally. You get to practice your presentation. And the poster itself, because it is just an abstract, because it is just the highlights, it gives an opportunity for you and people interested in your poster to launch into a discussion about research. So the poster itself becomes the starting point. You know, like you get to skip all that awkward introduction when you meet someone at a conference. You're like, "Hi, what do you work on?" "Oh, I work on that too." Who does your research say? You get to skip all that because it's right there behind you in your poster. So you're like, "Yes, this is who I am and this is what I do. And look at this and look at this and look at this." And then you can have a conversation. One of the most powerful parts about a poster is that you don't even have to be there. The poster itself is a presentation. The poster itself is a communication tool. The poster itself is describing your research, your work. And you don't have to be there. Yes, you will add value by giving a poster presentation. We'll talk about that later. But the poster itself is doing that networking, doing that communication for you just by hanging on the wall. And the work you put in to crafting a poster presentation helps you identify, just like when you're writing an abstract, it helps you identify and distill the essential elements of your research. You find, like, your paper, your research paper, your dissertations are going to be very, very long, with all the supporting evidence and this and that, and all these figures. But when you go through a paper to turn it into a poster, or you go through your own research to turn it into a poster, you realize what matters. What are the critical things to communicate? And this is important because there have been studies about researchers engaging with posters and what they get from it. And qualitative research suggests that 75% of researchers believe that posters are useful. So you want to put work into that because people are coming in expecting this to be useful. So you want to make it communicate what you want it to communicate. And people are coming away. There is research to suggest that people are coming away from poster presentations remembering things and learning things and incorporating new knowledge. Like they're working. Poster presentations work, and posters work to communicate knowledge and your research. So you want to take advantage of that. And also another benefit, there's the chance that you can win a poster award, which looks pretty nice on your CV.